Hello guys, today I've got the Nothing Headphones A model and I'm going to show you how to check the battery level in your Android device of them. So actually we have multiple ways of doing so. Scroll to your control panel and as you can see, if you hold your finger on your Bluetooth, you'll see here the battery level. Apart from that, if we go down like this, we can add ourselves a battery widget. Hold your finger in the background, widgets, and here battery. Tap any widget you would like to see, like for example this one, and as you can see, Nothing Headphone A. What else can I show you? Some third way settings. Here connections or connected devices depending on your device, Bluetooth, and here we've got 100% battery remaining. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.